If you're performing our 4-inch to 8-inch conversion in a 13 F-150 and the rear view camera is displayed in the rear view mirror, we have an optional cable available on our website that will move the image for the camera down to the new screen. It will also retain the image up in the mirror still as well. You can also use this cable as it gives you an RCA output if you were installing an aftermarket screen and wanted to transfer the image as well. It'll put out a standard RCA video signal from the rear camera. Let me show you how to install this. On the back of the screen is a connector. You push the little tab on the bottom of the connector and unplug it. We simply will plug the one side of the T-harness in line and the other side of the T-harness into the back of the mirror. You can then tuck the excess up in the headliner carefully. There's a little bit of space right above here where you can get the connector up in there. And then once you do that, you can take this video cable and you'll simply tuck it in along the headliner in either direction of your choosing and down one of the pillars and across underneath the dash to your screen. You'll want to route this connector to behind your screen. And if you're installing one of our 4-inch to 8-inch conversions, the main harness, when you install in the 4-inch to 8-inch conversion, you'll just plug right into the yellow jack on the main harness. Now you see how to use the camera relocation harness for the 13 F-150 from 4D Tech. I'm Scott, and thank you for checking out our video.